Hey everyone, welcome to Long Arm Wednesday. I'm Laura Lynn of the Mama Pop Quilt Shop, and we're very happy to see you here today. Today we're working on something extremely special to, well, it's going to be to a few people, but right now it's very special to two people. Myself and my eldest sister, Lisa. She's the one who made this beautiful quilt top for our niece who is getting married in July this year. So she wanted to collaborate on a quilt together. I thought it was an amazing idea. It saves us both from trying to do something because we're both sewers. And I thought it was lovely. So I literally just got this in the mail. Wanted to get it done just so I can get it sorted and hand stitched and so on and so forth, hand stitched the binding and so on and so forth. And I put lovely hearts and swirl on this with white thread. We both agreed that we thought it'd be the loveliest for this project. I chose a very neutral flannel plaid sort of back to this just because they have 3 dogs and I don't want her to feel that, you know, she has to put this in the closet all the time because she doesn't want the dogs on it or something like that. So, you know, I just want to have fun with it and hopefully she will use it on a day-to-day basis. So isn't this beautiful? It's very much a scrappy adventure, I think, or maybe she was just, she had it as a kit. I'm not sure. I love the pattern. It is precise on every corner. So I'm so proud of her. And it's got cute little like doggies and bones and birds and everything you could think of, snails, just to go on this beautiful quilt. So it measures about 99 by 99, so it's a darn good size. And I'm just going to hit resume on this just so you can see a bit of the beautiful fabric that is going on here. So this is my sister Lisa, who lives in Manitoba, and she's obviously one of the fans of the channel. And clearly my sister. And so we're very, very happy and excited to be able to do this for our niece, Victoria. So we know we're early, but we figured we'd just get it done and then it's done. We don't have to think about it anymore. And I may try and go through my scraps and my stash and see if I can do up a nice little colorful border binding to go with it. So it's kind of a bit of our both eclectic houses combined together to make something beautiful for one of our nieces. So yes, I love it. I love this fabric here. That is very, very pretty. Love the little spots and dots on it. It reminds me of the fabric we used in Munchkin's Block of the Month last year. So yes, absolutely love it. So there's going to be lots of footage at the end of watching this stitch out because you can see all the beautiful fabric that's going on in this quilt. It's not just one fabric, it's white with a bunch of, there's batiks, there's, oh cute, here's the beautiful paw print, that's adorable, I love that one. There's butterflies, there's swirls, snowflakes, birds, stars, hearts, flowers, you name it. And it's just, it's beautiful. I absolutely, absolutely love it. So she'll get it, don't worry. I won't keep it. I'm just so happy and proud that it was a collaborative effort between the two of us. And I know our niece is gonna love it too. So thank you everybody for your love and your time and celebrating this beautiful quilt with us. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't before, do so now. And we'll see you on the weekend project and of course the live stream on Saturday at 1 p.m. Eastern. So thank you everybody. Big hugs from the Mama Pop Quilt Shop. Thank you, Lisa. It's gorgeous. So I'm like just under halfway done, or just over halfway done on this quilt. So it's big, it's big. So all right, take care everybody. Big hugs.